Wait. Let me see. Make sure I got it.
Hopefully don't fall out your boobs.
Right. Oh, we good. Okay.
Press it. There you go. Just one little. Just gotta get it going, and then it bolts. Oh shit! Sorry.
Hey, looking good.
He saw us 3 times now, and now we have this.
You're like, wait, didn't I just see you guys walking?
Bitches walking. Now you got these fancy ass scooters.
I'm worried about that incline. We might have to end up walking it up.
It might go. I mean, if we get a good head start, maybe
Yeah.
it should be all right. I'm telling you, these things go. When I was right by a car too, I was like, damn, okay.
Oh shit.
Scary at first, but it's faster than a damn bike.
Yeah.
And they got bike lanes.
You getting in front so I can get you?
Oh yeah.
Peanut butter jelly time.
Try not to hit those things.
Oh shit. It's a rough ride. God, it feels so good out here.
It does. It's just not as thick as it's been. Oh, when that does that, it'll stay at that speed.
Okay.
So it's gonna stay at whatever you're on right now. Whatever it's
Yeah.
it stays. And then you'll just press the green or press the red to stop.
Okay. It's like control, cruise control.
Mm-hmm. Pretty much, yeah, I guess so. Pretty much. Man, who the fuck be leaving out these little napkins? Oh, Clorox wiping their ass on the trail and just leaving it in front.
Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck they're doing.
Right.
See, okay, we go. Good, rough start. Let's go. Only taking one. I'm like, damn.
Whoa.
You okay?
Yeah, it was slowing down.
It slowed down?
Yeah, because I was going up the incline. It was slowing down.
You gotta get a head start. Start gunning it.
I just don't want to find myself in one of these bushes. That's all.
Please don't do all that.
Because it will be on film. Trust and believe that. Oh, what the hell? Oh, shit.
Sticks. That would suck if a bunny came out and we was running over. Look at these bitches. They're probably like,
Oh, well, which way we going? We going to the left?
I don't care wherever you want to go. It don't matter.
Yeah. Well, that goes to Western. Okay, we're getting ready to hit the incline. Yeah. Ow! Bugs!
Oh, shit, there was a bug right there. Almost went in my mouth.
I'm not gonna go too fast.
Go.
It's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
It's going.
See, guys, we almost made it. That's the incline. I had to point the boobs because I got the phone in my bra.
We almost made it.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, so much fun. It does get a little, like,
Oh, a little rough. Okay, here we go.
When we usually have pool at Babs, sometimes he'll take this to Babs and I'll ride my car, or I'll drive the car and he'll ride this there.
Okay.
Because he always has coffee and shit he don't want to take. I'm like, how you gonna ride this motherfucker and have coffee? You can't. You need two hands. Like, you need a cup holder that
that doesn't.
Them bitches making. Have you seen them? Starbucks cup holders. I'm like, get the fuck out of here. Their little satchels.
Look at the deer.
Oh shit. The little satchels you can put your cup in and you won't fucking spill. I'm like, these bitches.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Ooh.
He's like, oh hell no, y'all got lights.
Like a deer in the headlights. Girl, if I fall and bust my ass, Red Lobster is on you.
Don't bust your ass. No busting asses.
Oh, this is a sharp turn right here.
Busting
Okay, here we go.
Because you do have to have, like, if you were, like, on the street, something you're going over, you have to have, like, upper body strength to, you know, keep it adjusted and hold it right so you don't fall on your ass. The bitches are probably like, y'all ain't exercising.
Shit, my girlfriend Precious, she lived down the street from me.
Yeah.
She lift them dead bodies. I know she can.
Mortician?
She's a mortician, but I seen her lift like dead weight, literally, and she's strong.
Right.
I was highly impressed with the stuff that I saw.
Yeah, because you stiffen up and turn like into a brick when you dead.
Yeah, she's her upper body strength is like amazing.
Yeah, I mean,
but I know
doing
she
that up and down all the time. I'm sure she's probably even with weights.
Yeah.
She was lifting dead bodies.
I think she would like this though. Let's see what she say.
They're cool. I don't remember. I'll have to ask them.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get me a couple of these.
God, I mean, that bike wasn't even that much. It was like $2,600.
Mhm.
I mean, that is kind of expensive to be buying a fucking electric bike, but for what it does, oh man, it's so nice. The tires are big and fat.
Look, how about we show up at a walkathon with one of these?
Oh God, they'd be like,
I'd be like, deuces, bitches.
right, who's gonna win this race, bitch?
You see my license plate? It says I'm walking. Oh my God, this is so cool. We're coming to a sharp left. Sharp left, sharp left, sharp left.
This is where we always see that old guy dying.
To the left, to the left. To the left, to the left.
And he walks all the way over there.
Yeah, he turns around.
He walks all the way
Yeah.
over there and he comes all the way this way. I'm like,
Yeah, everybody has their own little routine.
fuck all that.
He probably doing this.
They're like, what the fuck? You don't see nobody with lights on a bike.
Shit, we
trail.
had already walked 8 miles today. Okay?
I already done got my steps. Hell yeah. Shit,
You at 20?
Yeah, I'm almost at 20,000. Night coolers in here. Oh, look at him jumping up and down. Now you got that on camera.
Yeah, I got all that on camera. I hope the picture's not that shaky. I hope it's not that shaky. Yeah. Right.
That metal ass piece of
Wait a minute.
your damn shit.
All that piece of shit from the flea market that worked there, but when you got it home, it didn't work no more.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. Them fucking things were bogus. But that's what we had back in the day. But now we grown ups and we got grown up money and we buy it. Ooh, he said he wanted to buy these. I'm like, what the fuck for? He was like, because when we went to these pool tournaments and shit, there's one in Indy that we go to. And the one, it's kind of bogus that they make you fucking pay for parking. And if you leave, you got to pay for it again. Like, they don't give you no ticket.
No stamp you or nothing?
Yeah, they don't give you no ticket or nothing to come back in.
Well, they figured that you'll pass it on. You'll pass it on to somebody else.
They're going to get you fucking paying that shit. So that's why we're like, we're just going to leave the car there.
Yeah.
We'll pay for it once. We'll leave the car there. We'll take these back and forth to the hotel or wherever the fuck we want to go get something to eat.
Right.
Whatever. And then we'll put these in the car. We'll put them in the back of the car and we can just go to the pool tournament. Because we have locks and shit for them and stuff like that, but I don't trust people. I do not trust them.
No, I don't either.
Could steal this motherfucker and
Hell yeah.
heartbeat.
Girl, I gotta lock up my barbecue grill. Yes.
What?
Chain that bitch up.
No way.
Cause when I first moved over here, I bought a brand new barbecue grill. And okay. And yeah. And I put it together, took it outside. The next morning, gone. Gone. Brand new grill. I didn't even get a chance to use it.
What?
Yeah, my neighbor did. He said, I didn't get a chance to tell you that you got to lock stuff up around here. I'm like, really? So lately, it hasn't been that bad. But I still lock up everything.
Hell yeah. Damn. See, and that's what bugs the fuck out of me with James, is that James will leave whatever the fuck out. I'm like, dude, you gotta he's got all these Milwaukee tools.
Oh no, you gotta lock it up.
You gotta lock this shit up. If somebody walks down the street and sees your shit, they're gonna come later on down the night and come and fuck your shit.
Hell yeah. Well, bring it in the house or whatever. You do what you gotta do to bring it in.
Sheds. He's got all types of shit. We got a garage.
Yeah, I don't leave nothing outside. Them garbage cans, you can take that.
Picking the shit up and putting it away.
Yeah. Maybe you oughta take it.
Scare him with it.
And pretend like it was stolen, so he can lose. So he'll learn his lesson.
Then watch my ass. Next thing you know, some shit'll happen and somebody will come and steal that shit.
But it'll teach him a lesson to bring it in.
Well,
You have to treat men like kids.
You do. You so fucking do, because
You raising a husband. You don't have.
he picks up after himself. Like he picks up after himself and shit, but not like the way I'm too. I can't have shit on the floor. He has like Nike tags and shit from his clothes and stuff in his bedroom. I can't.
Well, that's what he got you for.
Ooh,
So why
right, I
not?
know. Pick it up.
You think if you weren't around anymore, he'll think you know he'll be picking it up.
The dirty.
You'll be dirty, huh?
He wouldn't be dirty, but I know that he wouldn't be like picked up like the house is. Like I don't know.
On your left.
Hey, we got a bell.
Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot about that.
Just like that bitch in her body when we were walking.
Bugs.
Extra protein. Woo.
Like picking out bugs out my teeth when I get home.
I figured they would be having them bug machines come out and spray like they
They were actually.
They don't do that shit no more.
They would. Do you remember the time where? I don't know if you remember, but we didn't have any lightning bugs, and there were the butterflies weren't out. One summer we had no lightning bugs. The butterflies, they were all killed from the spray, the mosquito spray.
No shit.
Yeah.
So that's why they stopped doing it?
Yeah, so far, remember it used to be a lot. Well, back in the day when I first moved over here, it was a lot of lightning bugs and butterflies. But it seems like they're coming around.
Yeah. Huh. You would think that an insecticide would be just for insects. Don't kill nothing else.
Yeah, but it's bugs, period.
Kills anything. That sucks. It is getting kind of chilly now.
That's because we're in the trees. The trees give off oxygen.
What's the sweat?
Yeah, everybody leaving, girl. Yeah, everybody leaving. Roll out. The roof's on fire. You need no water, let the motherfucker burn. Burn, motherfucker, burn. Yeah. Girl, I was a cheerleader. And I was a cheerleader, so we used to say that all the time. That was so much fun.
I thought you'd like that. I was like half tempted. I'm like, should I tell her? Or should I just wait till I get there and surprise her?
Yes. I'm surprised and very pleased. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And be like, should you want to? Because you were like, do you want to walk? I'm like, do you want to walk or you want to ride?
I don't know how to let this down.
You just hold the button.
I'm talking about let it back.
Yeah, I'll do it. Don't worry about it. You just lift that thingy up and then it goes down. And then it's got this little thingy. And it's weird because once you put this on here, oh, damn it.
It goes down.
It like stays. It's weird.
I don't know how this goes. I'll let you do this.